Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
As the coronavirus pandemic marches into May, with untold weeks of lockdown still ahead of us, the lives of millions of Indians hang in the balance. This deadly pandemic has not only wreaked havoc on the lives of humans, but millions of voiceless creatures across the country are feeling its bite as well. With people staying indoors and the mass closure of restaurants, stray animals are struggling to find food. However, in the capital city of Madhya Pradesh, the local administration, Bhopal Municipal Corporation, has joined hands with various citizen groups to rescue the strays of the city from starvation. The BMC is doing its bit by coordinating with various animal lovers of the city through WhatsApp and providing food grains to citizen groups.
This is a multifold role. Primarily, food grains which are required by different organizations and different NGOs. We provide all the food grains to these NGOs whenever and as ever they place the requirement. Secondly, we also provide hay and grass for cows and buffaloes, and such people who cannot afford for hay and grass in this particular lockdown period. And we keep getting a lot of requests from people who take care of birds as well for containers in which they provide water. So supply of food grains has been the first part of the work that we do. And more importantly, more than just providing food grains, what we have done is we tried to bring together all the animal lovers, and we've made different WhatsApp groups for different causes. And in this way, the civil society as such has been energized in a better way, and they definitely know, the members of the group know that the municipal corporation is always available as and when any request is placed regarding any particular thing, be it the requirement of a vet or food grains or vehicles or any such thing. We are always ready to provide it. We're basically trying to act as a facilitator in this whole act.
With the lockdown in place and zero footfall at tourist places, these waterfowls would have starved to death if not for Sajid Khan. A firefighter with BMC and avid animal lover, Sajid Khan religiously visits the Scenic Boat Club at the Upper Lake every evening just to feed these ducks and geese, which were dependent on tourists for food before the lockdown.
नगर निगम भोपाल की तरफ से वृक्ष मित्र और वी लव एनिमल्स के हमारा एक जॉइंट ग्रुप है। हम लोग मिलके शहर में एक जानवर, बेमुँह के जानवर जो किसी से कह नहीं सकते, उनके लिए हम लोग अपना काम कर रहे थे, जैसे कि स्ट्रीट डॉग, काउस। मेरे मित्र हैं यहाँ पे एमपी टूरिज़्म में, उनका फ़ोन आया कि यार डक्स की बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है क्योंकि सारी दुकानें एकदम बंद हो गई थी। यहाँ पे सैलानी आते हैं, वो यहाँ पे पॉपकॉर्न, बिस्किट, चिप्स वगैरह डालते हैं। इनके साथ बहुत परेशानी आ रही थी, तो उस दिन से हमने 2 दिन बाद से ही लॉकडाउन के यहाँ पे आना शुरू करा। बिला नागा हम यहाँ पर आके इनको रोटियां खिला रहे हैं।
Pooja Iyengar, who runs a NGO for women, has stepped up in the time of adversity by helping the canines on the streets. Her initiative, We Love Animals, is trying to bring together all the animal lovers of the city under the same umbrella to cover more ground. She is collaborating with them through WhatsApp to ensure that as many stray animals as possible are fed.
There were many animal groups actively working in Bhopal, but my main intention of starting We Love Animals group during this lockdown with the support of the BMC was to bring all the feeders and rescuers under one banner. Since because of the lockdown, the strays were really hungry. All the small eateries and shops were shut. So we decided, since the resources were limited, it is better that everybody comes together and makes the best possible use of the resources. Besides that, We Love Animals also collaborated with the BMC, and with their support, we were able to put water trays at various locations in the city. So since the temperatures were rising and there was no water, this really helped the animals and the cows to get some drinking water.
Vishal Srivastava, a video editor and animal lover, is yet another good Samaritan who runs his own citizen collective called Jungle. He sets his alarm clock a little earlier than usual in the morning to cook 300 chapatis for stray dogs with the help of his wife. In the evening, he ventures out to feed 200 canines on the streets of Bhopal.
बस हमारा करीब 3-3.5 घंटा लगता है करीब बनाने में। करीब 20-22 केजी अप्रॉक्स आटा जो है हम लोग रोज़ कंज्यूम करते हैं। और जब करीब हम लोग 11 बजे से करीब शुरू करते हैं और शाम को करीब 3-3:30 बजे तक हमारा कंप्लीट हो जाता है। हम उसके बाद में फूड को रोटियों को लेकर और डॉग वगैरह को देने के लिए चले जाते हैं। देखिए बीएमसी का और भोपाल के लोगों का, एनिमल लवर्स का, वी लव एनिमल्स का हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट मिल रहा है। सभी लोग मिलकर कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
With the restrictions of the lockdown, tantamount to a death sentence for the strays of Bhopal, the efforts of these volunteers are ensuring that these animals are not faced with starvation.